Welcome back. So today I did this colorful eyes as you can see right here. So let's get started. So I've already prepped my skin today and I'm starting with this MAC Prep Plus Prime. So it works as a primer as well. So I'm using it as a primer today. Using this Color Bar Amino Skin Radiant Foundation. Now I'm using this concealer from Makeup Studio. For contouring, I'm using this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette. For eyes today, I'm using this NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using this mint shade for transition color on the crease. Now to fill in, I'm using this shade. Now I'm gonna fill my inner eyes with this Color Bar All Rounder pencil. I'm just smudging it a little bit. Again, I'm taking this transition shade. Now I'm using this yellow shade to fill in my inner corners. Now I'm using this Estee Lauder mascara in Multi Effect 06 Orange. I'm just gonna underline it with this Pro pencil. So I'm kind of liking this bronze look, so I'm not using blush today, and I'm moving on to the highlighter, and I'm using this highlighter from NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette. Moving on to the lips, I'm using this Color Bar Lip Definer Lip Liner pencil in the shade Chocolate Brown. After outlining my lips, I'm gonna fill it in with this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Pink lipstick. And I'm using my fingers. I kind of like mixing brown and pink shades. I'm using this Faces Canada matte lip crayon pencil and I'm just taking it in my fingers. Now to set my base, I'm gonna use this MAC Prepless Prime.